Trusts can create their own dashboards. You have the ability to create as many dashboards as you like and look at lots of different things. So here's some analytics that I can add in. You can choose assessment points to pull your data from, and because they're mat level, all of the schools would have filled these data points in, so you know it's as accurate as it can possibly be. You can drill into any of these numbers and click on them, and underneath it will show you what schools those students are coming from, and you can drill in and see the students as well. Here's an attendance dashboard as another example. I can put persistent absence across the trust on, my full attendance for the trust, and also all the different year groups. Creating dashboards, very straightforward. You can give it a title. You can select submats, if you've got clusters of schools that are together, or you can select specific academies just by selecting them like so. You get different layouts, and then lots of different widgets that you can use to put in and completely bespoke the dashboards to whatever you need. You can also share dashboards across any members of your trust, and schools have got the exact same ability to do this as well at a school level. So if we jump into the academy view, I've got some dashboards up here, and I can run these at a school level just like we did with the trust ones. And class teachers can also run this at a class level. You can run these for any subjects you like, so you can have early years dashboards, Key Stage 1, Key Stage 2 dashboards, and for any subjects as well. So subject leads can run these types of things too. So you can get good analytics, which is all live data, in a dashboard that you've created for your own role in school. You can filter any of these dashboards to look at any types of groups of students as well. And that's how you kind of create your dashboards, so you get good data at a glance when you log in.